Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace windshield wipers on a BMW X2. Before we begin, gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel. Make sure your vehicle's ignition is completely off to prevent accidental activation. Placing a towel on your windshield will protect the glass if an arm accidentally drops. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process for both sides. To safely access your wiper blades, you first need to put them into service mode. Turn your vehicle's ignition on and then immediately turn it off again. Within 3 seconds of turning off the ignition, press and hold the wiper stalk upwards. You will see both wiper arms move to a vertical position, making them easy to work with. This step is crucial for preventing damage. Now that the wipers are in service mode, let's remove the old blades. Gently lift one wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into place. Locate the small release tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab and slide the old blade off the arm's hook. Be very careful not to let the arm snap back onto the glass. Repeat for the other side. Installing your new wiper blades is straightforward. Slide the new blade onto the arm's hook, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Double-check that the blade is firmly attached before proceeding. Gently lower the entire wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the second wiper blade. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new wipers to ensure they operate smoothly and clear your windshield effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.